Alright, let's go over here and we're going to draw a Garten of Banban character called Lazcat. Alright? So let's hop into it. It's going to be very simple and easy and for beginners. I'm going to go over here, up, down. I'm going to go over here now and draw several teeth. Overline over here, more teeth on this side, and more teeth on this side. What we're going to do here, now that we did the teeth in the back, is we're going to draw a dark area in the back over here, and we're going to kind of fill that in. All right. Curve over here for the mouth. And line. Curve on the outside. Curve on the outside. Right there. The eyes are facing outward. Let's go over here. Down, up. Fill it in. Down, up. And fill it in. Line. Over here, down. Down. Like so. And you got the head of Lazcat so far. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you want to learn how to draw. I draw a different video every single day, a different topic, a different art tutorial. So hit the subscribe. There is no downside in subscribing. Gonna go out over here, down. Out over here, down. Curve underneath. Curve underneath here for the hand, and down over here. Curve over here for the paw. Line in here. Down. Curve up. Line right there for the other paw, right? So we're gonna find the foot over here. Down over here, the foot. Curve up. And then we're gonna find the rest of his body on this side. Curve down, up, down, up, line over here, out, down, curve over here, curve, and curve. Whew, that's mostly it. What I want you to do now is we can throw a little bit of details into this. Maybe a line right here, line right here. Also, if you like learning how to draw cute in general, which he's not really that cute, if you like learning how to draw cute, definitely, you know, there's a cute free drawing ebook. It used to be $30. Now I'm making it 100% free. So definitely hit that, you know, definitely go take a look at that. It is free for a limited time, I think. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it there permanently, but It is really awesome to go kind of have the formula of how to draw anything cute. And I'm going to be putting that out there for that reason. Curve right here on the corner. Line up. Out. Curve over here on this side. Up over here, down. Line over here. Up. Down. Curve. Curve. Up. Line. Line over here. Line over here. Downward curve. And we're kind of just going around here, throwing in some darker lines to kind of make everything a little... I'm going to make his stomach a little bigger and maybe fill that in. Downward here. Down. Curve. Curve. Out over here. Down. And curve over here. Line over here, pulling up. Over here. And there we go. Line. A little bit of line right there. I like throwing these little lines as a design element. It's always kind of good to do that. And you can, honestly, you can fill this foot in the back because it is way back there. And it kind of makes it go back, you know, back into space. So definitely it could be a good thing to do. Like pretty much, yeah, like that. But that is Lazcat. What I want you to do now is I want you to, what are some characters that I haven't drawn yet in Garten of Banban? Let me know, and I will make them happen. But definitely hit the like button. And there's a lot of stuff coming, so yeah, hopefully you have an awesome day, okay? Well, actually, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to actually say hi to me in the comment section and stick around. I want you to stay and do another video with me. It's pretty simple. We'll go through it together. So let's draw another one now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme. And you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.